This is a co-challenge for black. These two black stones are about to die. And in real games, personally, I might just give up on these two stones because this code is a little cumbersome, right? You have to play this move, otherwise white will capture you very easily. And of course, white will play disband, keeping black to 2 liberties. And that means black must play Atari moves to achieve the code. And the only way to do that is right here. And now if white captures here, black can start a code this way. And white captures first. And if white wins, then of course, white will just capture everything and kill these 3 stones. If black captures back, it gets a little complicated. Of course, you might say white can connect here. This is a local code threat, right? If black ignores it, white does not capture this code. White captures this way, and white will win this race to capture, like this. So if black Atari is here, this will be a more regular code. And if black ever wins, black gets the whole corner, like this. But what's tricky is that after black captures back, white can also play this move. If black contains white, then number 12 will be a local code threat. Number 14 can capture right back. If number 13 captures here, this is a 2-step code for black, but not for white. What does that mean? Number 11 captured a code and number 13 captured another code. And this is why it's a 2-step code for black. And now to capture this code back, right? This number 13 code still exists. White can find the code threat elsewhere and captures back. And now if white wins this code, white does not have to play at number 8. White can simply connect here. And white has 3 liberties versus black's 2. And white will win the race to capture this way. So white only has to capture 1 step back, not 2. So that's something that you should notice in this pattern, because codes can get a little complicated. But here, depending on what the board position is like elsewhere, especially on this left side, white can also choose to pull out like this. And now it's probably best for black to just capture number 6, make a living shape here, and now white can come out like this, or this. And this is a solution for both sides as well, because white gets to escape, doesn't have to play the code or risk dying, and black makes a living shape. But it really depends on the whole board position. So that was the first code, and of course, white can play this code as well. White captures first. If black captures back, then white can play here as a local code threat, and now black will have to capture back in order to win. Hope you liked the pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.